The Hyatt Regency in Tokyo, Japan is a beautiful hotel in a great part of Tokyo for getting out and seeing the city. It is located in Shinjuku, about a 15-minute walk from Shinjuku Station, which is the busiest train station in the world. The hotel is in a quieter part of Shinjuku, adjacent to Shinjuku Chuo Park and across the street from the Tokyo Metropolitan Government building, where you can see free light shows every night lighting up the building. The Tochomai subway station is directly beneath the hotel, making it easy to get to anywhere in the city, although you will probably have to change trains most of the time. We'll show you a king room at this hotel, and at the end of the room tour, we'll talk about how to get to the hotel from various places in Tokyo and talk about recent changes to booking with points and availability at this hotel. So stick around for that. We do a lot of room tour videos of hotels in Japan and around the world, so please take a minute to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to be notified when we post new room tours. Now, onto the room tour. Okay, this is a room tour of the Hyatt Regency in Tokyo, Japan. This is the Hyatt Regency. It's located in Shinjuku in Tokyo proper. There's another Hyatt Regency that is out near Disney. It's Tokyo Bay, I believe. This is actually the one in Shinjuku, again, in the city. So this is a king, just a standard king bed. We did not get upgraded tonight. We have the last couple of nights with Hyatt, but honestly wouldn't expect that. We'll only discover us. And this is a popular hotel. It's pretty hard even to get on points, so doesn't at all surprise me that they didn't upgrade us, and that's totally fine. But we did request a late checkout for when we leave. We're only going to be here for 2 nights, so we'll have the 2 p.m. late checkout, which is a great perk for just the Discover Us status that you get with having the personal credit card. So anyway, let's look at the room here a little bit, and we'll talk a little bit about the cost of the room. So you can see the entryway there. It's kind of an open closet design situation, which is fine. I kind of prefer a regular closet, but I don't know. Who cares really? So there's a table and chairs, which is nice. There's a full-length mirror there. And then this window that has like a blind that comes down on it, which is nice. So it'll actually seal out the sun in the morning. The view here of Shinjuku is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see through that, but on this side we're just facing kind of some skyscrapers and stuff. But if you go out from here, this is right near the Tokyo Metropolitan building, which is where they do the light shows and stuff. We have a video on that. I'll try to remember to link it in the description below. But they have some light shows every night that are really cool. They're totally free. You can just go see them. They last like 15 minutes or something. Really awesome. So just a cool free thing to do in Tokyo. The last time we did it, which was about a year ago, it wasn't crowded. We'll see if it's crowded this time or not, but kind of a cool thing. Anyway, so continuing on here, it's TV mounted, pretty standard stuff. You can see there's a little bit of a night stand or, shelf thing or whatever there. A lot of charging areas there, a lot of charging capacity, ports and stuff. It's the king size bed. And again, the entryway here. Got the robes and a couple of drawers beneath this bench. And then got the little mini fridge here. This hotel does have ice machines. This is the first Hyatt that we stayed at on this trip that has ice machines, but a lot of hotels in Japan, I shouldn't say a lot, some hotels in Japan do have ice machines. Not a lot of places outside the United States do in our experience, but this one does. It's really nice. And here's the bathroom. So you can see, very nice, very well maintained. This hotel has been around for a long time, I think, but it's very well taken care of. It's a great hotel. There's the mirror and the vanity and stuff, the sink, and a little shelf underneath. Shower in here is a waterfall, which is cool. And the fully closing door kind of bugs me when they have the like half open tile or tile-like showers like that and end up with water everywhere. But this one is fully enclosed, which is cool. So yeah, coffee maker, tea maker there. Pretty nice room overall. So this is right above a subway station. It's on the E line. Tenochimai, I believe is what it's called. Kind of blanking on it now. Let me see if I can find it on my phone real quick. But yeah, it's right on a subway station, Tochomai. Sorry, so it's not, there are a couple of different companies that run subway lines in Tokyo. This one is, it's a little bit out of the way. It's not like on the Ginza line or anything, but super easy. Just leave the hotel, you're right there in the subway, so it's easy to transfer somewhere else you might need to. We came in on the Shinkansen to Ueno from Sendai, and it was a straight shot for us. We did have to walk from the main Ueno station to one that we could use here, and it was kind of a long walk actually, but straight shot here, so pretty nice. 7-Eleven is just, there's a 7-Eleven right as you come out of the train station. It's exit A7, incidentally, and just puts you right here at the hotel, which is fantastic, really cool. So I did mention that I would talk a little bit about the cost of the stay here. So we are paying with free night certificates that we got from signing up for the personal Hyatt credit card. Those are category 1 through 4, which is up to 15,000 points, generally in the regular season or whatever. This hotel, as most hotels in Japan have been, this hotel was increased up to a category 5 this year. So that happened, I believe, in March. And yeah, now it's category 5. So now it'll cost you more points to stay here, but hopefully that will help with availability, because the availability here is not good. It's really hard to find availability, and generally if you don't book out, months and months in advance, you just have to kind of watch it. There's availability that opens up, in my experience. I've done this a couple of times. Did it with Osaka in the caption last year, where there was nothing, no availability, and then it just popped up. Actually, I'm sorry, the caption I think I paid cash for, but I did do it with the Hyatt in Shibuya. So you can see our room tour on that. I'll try to link that as well, but that one also never has availability. It's a Hyatt Place. It's got washer and dryer and stuff in room, but if you watch it and just kind of check it every day, sometimes I'm assuming people cancel or something and you're able to get it. So that's what we did here. Again, staying 2 nights, 2 free night certificates. Great use of the certificates, in my opinion. We do not have breakfast here because, again, we're only Discover Us. We don't generally pay for breakfast in Japan. It's just, there's just too much good food that's cheap here. So I'm not going to be able to really review the breakfast. But this is the room. Hopefully this was helpful, and not only to see the room, but kind of get an idea of how to get here. Should be pretty easy to get here from just about anywhere, Tokyo Station, or if you come in on the Narita Express, you can get off in Shinjuku, and won't be too far from here. As always, just put it in your phone, find the easiest way to get here, because it is hard sometimes to navigate Tokyo's public transportation. But that will be it for the Hyatt Regency in Tokyo, Japan.